So continuing. So yesterday we studied till this Vidvasu Shabda. Today we'll study Pungs Shabda. Pungs. So Pungs is meaning man. Pungs word is there. Now we have a sutra here. Pungsaha pumasuh Krishna sthane. The word pungs is replaced by pumasu when a Krishna sthana follows. So yeah, so when a Krishna sthana follows, pungs is replaced by pumasu, which has urama in it. Okay. Then we apply sutra atva santodhavasya trivikrama buddhavarjita sau dhatum vina. Yeah, we can do both ways. First of all, we can insert na also. Yeah, better we insert na num first by sutra achash chaturbhujanu bandhanam chanum krishna sthane. So by that sutra we insert num, so we get na here. And then we apply nanta dhatu varjita santa satsanga mahadapam uddhavasya trivikrama krishna sthane buddham vina, that sutra. So by that sutra, it is dhatu varjita santa satsanga. Pumans, this word is not a dhatu, and it has a satsanga at the end, which has sarama, santa satsanga. So its uddhava becomes trivikrama. So it becomes trivikrama. Then we delete this su, Radha Vishnu Janabhyam Vipascha Trivikrama Soraraha, and then satsanganta se Hara Vishnu Padante. So we get Puman. Puman. Okay. Then Pungs Yukta O. Again, we replace Pungs. Pungsaha Pumasu Krishna Sthane. So we get Pumasu Yukta O. Then we apply Num, Achashatur Bhujanu Bandhanam Chanam Krishna Sthane. We make it Trivikrama, Nanta Dhatu Varjita Santa Satsanga, that sutra. We combine everything. And then we apply one sutra which we studied before. Avishnu Padantasya Nasya Masya Cha Vishnu Chakram Vaishnavi. Na Rama or Ma Rama, which come in between a word, a Vishnu Pada, and if a Vishnu is not following, then that becomes a Vishnu Chakra. So Pumang Sau. Similarly, Pumang Saha, Pumang Sam, Pumang Sau. Then 2.3, Pungs Yukta Shas. We just combine them. So Pung Saha, Sara Ramayo, Vishnu Sarva, Vishnu Padante. In 3.2, Pungs Yukta Bhyam. So what we do is, first of all, Purvasya Vishnu Pada Vatvam Swadita Dhitayo Rayasya Vaishradyo, that one. By that we consider Pungs as a Vishnu Pada. And then we delete this Sarama by Satsangantasya Hara Vishnu Padante. And then we apply Vishnu Chakrasya Hari Venur Vishnu Varge Vishnu Padantasya Tuva. By that sutra, this Vishnu Chakra optionally becomes Marama, and one time it will be Vishnu Chakra only. Vishnu, because it is Vishnu Padantasya Tuva. If Vishnu Chakra is at the end of a Vishnu Pada, because here we are considering Pum as a Vishnu Chakra, Vishnu Pada. So in that case, this Vishnu Chakra optionally becomes Hari Venu. So one time it becomes and one time it does not. Like that. And yeah, that's all. So here is the table. And in 8.1, Puman, there will be no Trivikrama for Uddhava. So yeah, that's all. Was that clear?
Yeah, I think so.
Then the next word is Godu. You can see here, Godu. This is also interesting word. And interesting sutra also will come now. Godu Yukta Su. Oh, nice one. So this sutra says, Hasya Dhaha Naho Dhaha Dadestu Dhator Ghaha Druha Muha Nasha Snuha Sniham Va Vishnu Padante Vaishnave Cha. That when the Vishaya is Vishnu Padanta or when a Vaishnava follows, the final Ha of a Dhatu becomes Dha. But the final Ha of a Dhatu, of the Dhatu Nah, becomes Dha. The final Ha of a Dhatu beginning with, see, first of all, this is the general rule, that if there is a Dhatu ending with Ha Rama, it becomes Dha. But if it is Dhatu Nah, then this Ha becomes Dha. And if it is a Dhatu, if it is Ha of a Dhatu beginning with Da, then that Ha becomes Gha. And the final Varna of Dhatus, Druha, Muha, Nasha, Snuha, and Sneha, they optionally becomes Gha. So we'll study all whenever their examples will come. So now what will happen is, we have the word Godu. Now Godu, now Godu, altogether it is a noun only. But this Duhu is a verb also. Means the origin is from verb. So this Duhu, if you see, then it matches this requirement, that the final Ha of a Dhatu beginning with the becomes Gha. So this Dhatu begins with the Rama, so its Ha Rama becomes Gha Rama. Okay? Godug. Of course, first of all, we delete this Su. Godug. And then we did one sutra before, if you remember. Javarja Hari Gadade Reka Sarveshwarasya Ada Hari Goshatvam Vishnu Padante Sadhoscha. I don't know if you remember that sutra or not. That if there is a dhatu again, which has one Sarveshwara, which begins with Hari Gada, except for Jarama, and which ends with Hari Ghosha, then this Hari Gada changes to Hari Ghosha. It becomes Dha. Then we apply Vishnu Dasa Vishnu Dante Hari Ghosha Cha Hari Gada. It becomes Ga, and optionally Ka. Vishnu Dasa Se Hari Kamalam Vavirani. So Godhuk, Godhuk. Was it clear? So two main rules were applied here.
The part I understood, and the K at the end.
This
oh,
is
I see in the book. Okay, all right.
So Godhuk and Godhuk. Then The word is go duh, so go duha, duha, duham, duha, duha, duha. In bhyam it will be go dhubhyam, and in sup 7.3 it will be go dhukshu, because Yadav Matra Hari Kamalam and then Ishwara Harimitra. That's all. Then we have the next word, Kansa Druhu, enemy of Kansa. Now, Kansa Druhu, the word Druha is also a dhatu, and in this sutra it says that the final word of the dhatus Druha, Muha, Nashas, Nuha, and Sneha optionally becomes Gha. So Druha is there. Optionally becoming Gha means optionally it also becomes Dha. So one time Gha, one time Dha. So one time we make it Gha, and then we apply Javarja Harigadadil, Da becomes Dha, and then the same process. So go Druk or go Druk. And one time it becomes Dha. Then in that case, Kansa Drud, Kansa Dhrud, Javarja Harigadadil. So Kansa Dhrud and Kansa Dhrud. Two forms. Please do this. Kansa Druh Yukta Su. Yeah, please solve this one.
So you want two options?
Yes.
Okay.
So please send to me on Telegram. I have done. This comes with the su. Okay, so then hello. Yeah. Then the next, yeah, the words Krishna Muhu, Krishna Snehi, they are declined similarly. Krishna Muhu, Krishna Snehi. So you can practice them, these words. Here we complete the masculine gender, Vishnu Jananta, Purushottam Linga. Haribol. Am I audible?
Yes. Yay. Haribol Jai.
I mean, so yeah, we complete Vishnu Jananta Purushottam Linga section. So, okay, then we move ahead with the next one. Now, Vishnu, this Lakshmi Linga section and the Brahma Linga section, for you, the pleasure of the devotees, only three sutras are there in both the sections. So that's quite small. So yeah, so let's move ahead here. This is the first word, rich, Lakshmi Linga section. So basically, I will try to just explain orally here when things are like similar or old sutras are applied. So if you have any question, then you can ask, because yeah, not much new sutras are applied here. So rich, if the su is deleted, then cha vargasya ka vargo Vishnu padante sutra is applied, cha becomes ka. Then Vishnu dasa Vishnu padante harigoshi harigada, and Vishnu dasa se harikamalam bhavirame rik or rig. Richav richaha rigbhyam rikshu. The words tvach, vach, they are
So something like, is there a sutra here? Because there's no sutra number, like, but it just starts talking.
there is no sutra number.
Yeah, I mean, that was a funny thing about this section.
No,
Is
means
this the vritti, or is this just continuing the vritti
it's like vritti
from
only.
some else, or
Vritti,
what's
it's
going
like
on?
vritti.
I see. It's just vritti. Okay.
So yeah, that was rich. The words tvach and vach, they are declined similarly. So that would be tvak, tvag, tvachau, tvachaha, tvacham, tvachau, tvachaha. Similarly, vak, vag, vachau, vachaha, vacham, vachau, ityadi. Then the next word is sraj, yukta su. Su is deleted. Then we apply sraj, dish, drish, ritvij, pushni, anudaka, purva, srish, ityadinam, ko Vishnu padante. So ja becomes ka by that one. And yeah, Srak. Then Vishnudasa Vishnuvedante, so Srak or Srag, Srajau, Srajaha, ityadi. Same. Then the next word is Samid. Samid. Samid Yukta Su, nothing new. Su is deleted. And then Vishnudasa Vishnuvedante Hari Ghoshicha Hari Gada. And yeah. Vishnudasa se Hari Kamnam Vaviname. Samit or Samid. Then Samidhahu, Samidha, Samidham, Samidhahu, Samidha, Samidha, Samidbhyam, 7.3, Samit Su. Okay.
So we should carry you some Samid for teaching us, right?
Samit Pani, Brahma. What is that? Brahma, Shrotriyam Brahmanishtam. Samit Pani. Yeah.
It's a little hard to carry the Samit over Zoom.
Virtual Samit. Then Seaman. Yeah, so to carry Samid online, we have Seaman, we have limitation. So the next word is
That's difficult.
the word is Seaman, and Seaman Yukta Su. So we apply the sutra Nanta Dhatu Varjita Santa Satsanga Mahadapamudhavasyatrikma Krishna Sthana Buddhamina. So by that one, this A becomes A. And yeah, then Su is deleted. Then Namantasya Nasahara Vishnuvedanta is applied and Na Rama is deleted. So ultimately we get Sima. Similarly, then Simanam Nanta Dhatu Varjita will be applied until Krishna sthanas are there. So Simanam, Simanaha, Simanam, Simano. In 2.3, Seaman Yukta Shas, if you see, Shas is a Bhagavat, so we apply that sutra. Vama Satsanga Hinasya Anuramahara Bhagavati Natiye Inyastuva. That one. By that one, we delete A. So we get Simna. Simna. 3.2 will be Simabhyam. Purvasya Vishnupadavati.
It's basically very similar to Rajan, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I mean, deletion of A Rama, right? Because in Rajan, after deleting A Rama, then we applied one more sutra.
Yeah, then there's Rajnya.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
So 3.2 will be Simabhyam. Na will be deleted. First of all, we'll apply Purvasya Vishnupadavattvam and then Namantasya Nasahara. So 3.2 will be Simabhyam. 7.3 will be Simasu. Yeah. Okay. Then the next word is up. Now please practice all these words. Huh? You have one whole week for that. Whatever we are studying. They all are based on the previous sutras only, but practice is necessary. Up Yukta Jas. Up means water, and good thing about this is it is always declined in Bahuvachana. So up Yukta Jas. Then we apply this sutra. Now Jas is a Krishna sthana. So we apply Nanta Dhatu Varjita Santa Satsanga Mahad Apam. We have that word Apam there. Uddhavasya Trivikramaho Krishna sthane. So that's why it becomes Trivikrama, the Arama. And we get Apaha. Then Apaha. Then when we have up Yukta Bhis. So this sutra 212 says Apo Dobhe. When Bharama follows, so the Pa of up, it becomes the Pa. Pa of becomes the Rama. So we get Adbhi. adbhya, apam, apsu. That's all. Okay. So that was one sutra out of the 3 sutras in this section. We'll complete this section today only. Then kakub is the next word. Quite simple. So is deleted. Purva Vishnudasa Vishnupadante and Vishnudasa Hari Kamalam Vavirame. Kakub or kakub. Kakubhau, kakubhyam, kakupsu. That's all. Then the next word is gir. Gir. Gir means speech, word, statement. So gir yukta su is deleted. Then we had that sutra 207 iruranta dhatu ruddhavasya trivikrama vishnupadante. So by that one, because this word ends with ir, so the uddhava becomes trivikrama. So we get gir and then sararamyor. So gi, girau, giraha, giram, girau, like that. 3.2 will be gir bhyam and 7.3 will be gir shu. That's all. Is that okay? This word? Is this clear?
I had kind of forgotten 207, but okay.
Means this 207 says that when a word which ends with ir or ur, then the uddhava becomes trivikrama there when it is Vishnu Padanta.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's all. Then pur, similarly, same way. Pur ends with ur. So we get pu, purau, puraha, ityadi. Purbhyam, purshu. Yeah, similar. Then we have chatur. So now this is Lakshmi Ling. So chatur is always declined in Bahuvachana. So chatur yukta jas. And then we had that sutra, if you remember. Lakshmi sthayos, tri chaturos. Lakshmi sthayos. Yeah, Lakshmi sthayos, tri chaturos, tisri chatasra Vishnu bhaktau. That in Lakshmi Linga, 3 and chatur shabda are replaced by tisri and chatasri. So chatur in Lakshmi Linga. So this is Lakshmi Linga. So chatur is replaced by chatasri. And then we have this Ridvam Raha. So chatasraha. Same here, chatasra, chatasribhi, chatasrinam, chatasrishu. Quite simple. Then the next word is div. Is it okay, oral? This orally? If you want like me to write some particular one, please let me know. So I hope.
I think it's okay so far.
Yeah, I hope you are all Shruti Dharas. So
that I'm not. But anyway, fortunately, there's a recording.
Yeah, recording is Shruti. YouTube is Shruti Dhara then. Okay. Div. Div means heaven or sky. So Diva au sau. Diva au sau. The va of div changes to au when su follows. The va of div changes to au when su follows. So if you see here, then div yukta su is there. By this 213 sutra, the va rama changes to au. Then we apply idvameva sarveshware and sararamya. So we get dyau. Dyau. And divau, divaha, diva. Okay. And in 3.2, div yukta bhyam. 3.2, div yukta bhyam. What happens is this sutra, diva ur Vishnu Padante, the verb div changes to u when the Vishya is Vishnu Padanta. So this says that first of all we consider div as Vishnu Pada by Purvasa Vishnu Pada Vatvam, and then this diva or Vishnu Padante, the verb changes to u, and idvam evoya sarveshri, so dyubhyam. Dyubhyam.
Oh, Diauch, I'd seen that's like a Vedic thing, but Dyubhyam I would never have guessed that that's what that is.
So it's Dyubhyam. Yeah, that's all. And in 7.3, Dyushu. Then the next word is Dish. Dish means direction. So Dish yukta Su. Su is deleted. Then Suraj Dish Drish Ritvij. Sutra 186. By that sutra, Sha Rama changes to Ka. So, and then Vishnudas Vishnu Padante Hari Ghoshich Hari Gada, Vishnudasasya Hari Kamalam Va Virami. So Dik or Dig. Dishav, Dishaha, Disham, Dishav, Digham, Dikshu. That's all. Then the next word is Ashish. So Ashish Yukta Su, Su is deleted. Then we had that sutra 206. Sajosh Ashish Ityanayor Isasanta Dhatushcharo Vishnu Vedante. That the word Ashish, the last varna changes to Ra Rama when it is Vishnu Padanta. So it changes to Ra. And then we apply 207. Iruranta Dhatu Ruddhavasya, that one. And it becomes Trivikrama. Ashir and Sararamur Ashihi. Then Ashisha, Ashisha. That's all. Ashirbhyam, Ashishu. Then Ushnihi is there. Ushnihi, Yukta Su, Su is deleted. Then Suraj, Dish, Drish, that sutra is applied. Her changes to Karama. And then Ushnig or Ushnik. Like that. And the last word for this section is Upanaha. Upanaha means shoe, sandal, like footwear type of. So Upanaha Yukta Su, Su is deleted. And in this 211th sutra, which we studied today, Hasya Dhaha, Naho, Dhaha, Dadis, Dhaturga, this Naha we studied. So this Harama changes to Dha. So Upanad, and then Vishnudasa Vishnu Vedante Hari Ghoshich Hari Gada, Upanad, Upanat. So like that. Upanahu, Upanahu, Upanaha, ityadi. Here we complete the Vishnu Jananta Lakshmalinga section. Hari Bol. That was good, huh? In one day, one section.
Hari Bol, Jay, yeah. Well, fortunately, it's a short section, yeah.
So we did quite a few words in this section also. So you need to practice, revise. Mahaprema Mataji, is that clear? Oh, I think she's not in. Okay. So let's do some Anvaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 4, Text 7. Katham va Pandave yasya Rajarshir Munina saha Samvadah Samabhutat Yatraisha Satvati Shruti. He tat Pitah Shravana Gurutvat Katham va kena prakarena va Munina evam bhutena Shukadevena saha sardham Pandavayasya Pandu वंश उद्भवस्य राजर्षिः परीक्षितः संवादः आलापनं समभूत संजातः यत्र यस्मिन् संवादे एषा सातती भागवती श्रुति संहिता प्रकाशिता इति यावत्. So this is Shaunak Rishi speaking to Suta Goswami that hey Tata. Hey Tata is like, oh son, like an affectionate address. That hey Tata, that how come, Katham, how come, by what way, Kena Prakarena, Maharaj Parikshit, who was Pandavayasya, who was Utpanna, Pandu Vansha Udbhavasya, who was born in Pandu Vansha, had a conversation, alapa, conversation with Shukadev Goswami Muni, who has heard Srimad Bhagavatam from his father, guru like father. So, and in that conversation, Yasmin Samvade, this Srimad Bhagavatam Katha was revealed, Prakashita, Ityavat. This is the meaning. So, this is Shaunak Rishi asking to Suta Goswami about how Maharaj Parikshit came in contact with Shukdev Goswami and how that conversation began. And Srimad Bhagavatam Katha happened like that. Iti artha. Then one more shloka.
So wait, so that's Sangyata Samabhut Sangyata. What is the function of that there?
This is Sanjata.
Oh, Sanjata. But this, all right. So became or
yeah, happened. We can take in that sense happened.
Mm-hmm. And then this Satvati, is that in the seventh case or
no? That's 1-1 feminine, like Gopi.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, this meeting is going to end. So shall we rejoin? Shall I host again? We can do.
I don't mind. Yeah, we could do it again.
Okay, so let me host it again.
Okay.